I'm not 100% convinced that it would do anything. I have never painted in a place that wasn't blank walls. It could be a distraction. I don't know. I guess we'll see. First, I was surprised. It's a strong color, but it didn't seem too strong. It also had like a certain feminine quality to it, a little bit soft. So it reminded me of like my mother, because she's a really strong woman, but like she can still have that soft touch. Usually green triggers some type of feeling like at peace for me. Because it was brighter, it was telling me you can be at peace and kind of have fun with it. It's actually very hard to explain. You just gotta feel it. Red, basically, it wants you to be decisive. So these are just simple forms, you know, they're separate, they're not blended together. And that's how red is. It's like, here I am. For me, yellow is like joy. It reminds me of the sun. It reminds me of like happiness. So I wanted to represent something positive, sort of a floral arrangement. I used my hand to basically plug in that yellow to whatever was surrounding it. And I looked at the wall and it was this gray-blue color, which reminded me of a gloomy day, or maybe like when you go to the sea right before the sun sets and it's kind of dark and gray. That reminded me of nature in general. It was a little crazy. It was really like going from like one state of mind and then someone's pressing a button and triggering another state of mind. So if you were to give me one of these rooms at home and I had all the time in the world, you'd probably see me in MoMA like next year.